Hey guys, it's Erika. We're gonna be checking out RUANN Beep Beep. She is a Japanese singer whose this is her debut in Korea. So there's been a couple of artists that have done this. So I'm interested in seeing what the concept is gonna be, what the sound is gonna be, transitioning that way, because you know a lot of K-pop artists will release Japanese songs or Japanese music. So I think it's interesting when you get it the other way, because you don't get it too often, or maybe it's not apparent to me that often. So, but I'm excited. You know what's it going to be. You know what it let go. Beep beep. Her voice is interesting. I like it. Earpods. I really like her voice. She can dance, that's for sure. You see her go? This choreography, like, insane right now, bro. How's she singing at the same time? Like, what the what? I wasn't ready for that. Alright. She can rap. And my camera's gonna die. I'm gonna fight. She can dance, she can sing, I really like her voice, she can rap. This is a cool concept. Like, she ain't stopped with this choreography, like how she performed live, bruh. The black and white reminds me of Kim Lipsy clips. Maybe some Luna favorite. It's literally Kim Lipson favorite, or Kim Lipson Luna. Hi, Bear. Okay, let me hear it before my camera dies. I think she's really good. I really like her voice. Oh, oops, it's not over. I really like her voice. It has a completely different sound than I guess what I'm used to hearing with K-pop, which I really like. I really appreciate it. Really liked it. She can. So it happened, and the camera looks different because I'm recording my outro with my phone, because I really have to go, and then I'm gonna forget if I put it off until after work, and I gotta go to work. But like, I need to see like a performance of her live, because that was just like insane. Like the choreography, insane. I've never seen like that crazy choreography. Like that's like, where is she taking a breath? Where was she like? What? So I'll probably check out live performances of her on my own, but I think she was killing it. The concept for the music video was really cool too, really great visuals as well. So I have nothing to complain about. I really enjoyed her. I'll probably check out more of her stuff because she left me shook and stuff. And just like that little rapping part in there, so different from everything else, but she's still showing a little bit of what she's doing. And so the choreography for there is different than in the rest of the song. So she seems really versatile to me. So I just want to keep an eye on her and see what else she can do. And it's just because that was really dope, man. That was really, really dope. I was shook if. I may not have looked like it because it's just like I shut down when I get shook. But really enjoyed it. Apologize for this different camera. Is my phone better? I don't even know. Probably than my camera. But yeah, it don't kind of storage on it to record as much reactions as I do. So yes, go and put your thoughts in the comments down below. Do that about RUANN's Beep Beep. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and want to see more of my videos, go and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr, Facebook page, all in the description down below. At the end screen, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later.
maybe 어쩌면 동갑일까 my baby my darling 우리 사귀면 뭐 부를까 혼자서 짤까 그래 생각만 해도 좋네 하지만 걱정을 해 맘만 그 속에